These are the lifts at the James Cook Hotel in Car Park. I wonder which one's going to be. This one's out of order. Out of order, so come on. It's on hotel. Come on. Where is it? Yeah. Which one is it? Where are you two going? Where are you going? Where are you two going? Where are you going? Why is this lift not out of service yet? They said it was going to be out of service from the 3rd of July. It's a bit weird, isn't it? We're stopping on CD. Where are you two going?
Oh, we're going to the hotel.
These lifts are getting replaced soon, aren't they? Here we are at OP. Yep, so these are 60's OTIS lifts. There's your phone. Nice interior. I like the indicator. We are back at ground. You going down or up?
Down. Okay.
You going to ground?
Yep.
These lifts are getting replaced soon, aren't they?
I think so. Or they're gonna
close
one of them down, but not both of them.
It said that this one was going to be out of service from the 3rd of July, but it's not out of service yet.
Oh. That's right, they did. And the sign's gone.
After you. We'll just wait for it to close. There it goes. And that's it.
So we're at the so these are the lifts at the James Cook Hotel. These I filmed many years ago, back when they were still original. No, and they were originally 1960's OTIS lifts, but they've now been modernised by OTIS. 1,134 kgs or 15 persons. They're pretty quick though, although I don't think these lifts are actually full replacements. I think they're actually still...
They're just mods.
Yeah, that's what I think too, is they're still... clearly the original lift cars and whatnot.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we actually got a Otis Series 1 chime. Oh, we actually got... So it's got the ability to call cancel.
Yo! Wait, does it work when moving?
No.
No.
It doesn't seem like it.
Never noticed that.
Yeah. Now for this, we'll just take him to hotel so we can ride some of the other lifts in the hotel.
Ground floor.
Oh, sorry. Which floor are you going to?
Upstairs.
So are we.
Oh, I like your lead movement.
Fortunately, I've still got it.
Yes. And be grateful.
Oh. There we are at the hotel. Yep. After you guys. Right.
Oh, does it not work on
Maybe it doesn't. Right. There it goes. And that'll be it.